am really excited about my new toy. Somebody made the mistake of saying they were interested, so here's a video to explain it. Say I wanted to type the word planet. If I did not know whether or not it existed, my coach in the far right-hand side said, I don't have that as a defined word in my Qwertigraph. I hit H1 and it does a search. The search says, nope, that's not a word. Puts it down here, and here I can try to hone it. When I click that, it brings up the Gregg Shorthand Dictionary, and when I page down, planet is a word in Gregg. It's done with P-L-A-N-E-T. So you literally have to spell the whole word out. So the next thing I do is I come back to here and I give the Gregg spelling. P-L is a blend, A, N, E, and T are words. Now I'm going to click here. That becomes its brief. There's nothing there. This is what it would be if we were going to, I don't have a single dictionary to find for it. Alright, so let's really quick do this. And there we go. So we'll say planet, and we'll say -E -T. Planet, there's no conflicts, commit it. Planet is now in my dictionary. And one of the things that's interesting about that is that if I type it again, you now see the Gregg form for it, planet. Now that A looks horrible, right? But we have our handy-dandy dictionary available to us. That A should be up. So I can compare this brief to this brief and say this needs to be corrected. So how do we correct that? We need a ligature that has PL and A, and then that A starts and ends right where my mouse is, and it's currently leaned to the right. I need it to instead be up, so I need the anchor points to be here and here. So what I'm going to do is go to my strokes definition, and I'm going to look for a pattern with PL in it. Search for that. This is the pattern. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to create a -A, and I'm actually not going to copy that. I'm going to commit this. So let's commit that. Now I'm going to do a search for an A, and there are lots of A's. Let's take, I'm just going to take this one. All right, so I take this, Control C, and now I take PL again, PL-A, oops, search, and I've got one of those, and I'm going to drop this right here and commit that. And now, I don't know whether or not you noticed, but that went away for a minute, and now it's come back. So we're going to do a curve that right now 16, 19 is forward 16 and up 19. I'm going to make this go backwards 16 instead of forward 16. And then we need this one to also go backwards, but we're going to go up 21. Commit that, and look what happens to the A up here when I do that. I hit commit. Now it moves up there. We're a little too high. We need to be a little wider. We get a little lower by saying 15 there instead of -21. Let's make that 18. And let's widen this a little more by going to say 21. And this will say 19. We commit that. That's getting closer. let's take a look at our reference again. Our reference says more down and back and more down, probably forward enough. So I need to come down more, I need to be down and back more. So I'm going to go more like 9, so we're quite a bit more down. And I think I said I needed more back. And then this guy here, let's take him down to 14. Commit that. I need more back. And more down. Commit that. Alright, let's try raising. Let's do a little less of this. Let's say 18. Alright. It's been a while since I've done this, and I've not got the feel. I used to have the feel for it, but I don't seem to have it anymore. That's more like what I was looking for. Let's raise this back up a little bit again. Alright, so I saved that. That's going to be good enough for my purposes. And now we have taken a word that wasn't defined, and we have completely and totally added it with graphics into the Qwertigraph. From now on, whenever I type the word planet, it'll show up. Some other things that are of interest, if we go here to the editor and we type the word, let's just stick with planetary now. So I do a quick search for planetary. The word planetary was not found in this dictionary. If a word's not found, we highlight the first match, planet. So if we were to, here, we're going to try something I've never actually done. I know what should happen, I just don't know what it is. 1, 2, 3 is not in the dictionary. And we get back, it's just not there. But there are some words that are not there that you would expect to be there. The word bring is not in the dictionary. Brigand is the first match. And the other thing that I'm already on the page, but I'm going to show it anyway. If I decided to search for bright, you're also going to find brighten, brighter, brightly, and brightness. And so I can make sure all of these are correct in the dictionary at the same time by going up here and typing bright. And bright is just B-R-I. I have brightly, I have brightened, brightening, brightens, brighter, brightest, brightness. I don't have brightness. So brightness is B-R-I-N-E-S. So I would add N-E-S-S over here. I would add dash N-E-S, and then I put hyphens in. Do this. Brines. I'm not worried about conflicting with that. There are no conflicts. That's what the brief would be. Commit. And now brightness is a word in the dictionary. Save the edits. I have made 2 changes to the dictionary by using the ability to look things up in the Gregg Shorthand Dictionary. And a huge shout out at the end of the video. All of this data is courtesy of Richard Liu, and you can click here to see his website where the data originally came from. If I click there, you have to go down here to see it. Try it online, but we can do the same thing. Planet. He has a couple words in there, planetarium, planetarium. Let's go use anniversary and planet. Aha! Planetarium does not exist in anniversary. So we go to planet, and it takes you to exactly the same page, and you click here to open the full page. And so his system is easier for any human being to use. If you just want to look in the dictionary, that's where you go. Anyway, it was fun building. Thanks for someone showing an interest.